Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda 125 2025 model features. The all-new Honda 125 2025 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, style, and cutting-edge technology designed to elevate your riding experience to new heights. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this bike is different. The bold, aerodynamic design catches the light perfectly, with sharp lines and sleek curves that create an aggressive yet refined look. The paint finish is flawless, complemented by premium decals that reflect Honda's commitment to excellence. Every inch of the Honda 125 2025 speaks of precision engineering, from the meticulously crafted fuel tank to the stylish side covers that blend seamlessly into the bike's overall design. The newly designed headlamp is not just a visual treat, it's a beacon of clarity, equipped with powerful LED lights that cut through darkness, ensuring maximum visibility during night rides. The taillight and indicators follow the same modern aesthetic, providing bright, crisp lighting that adds both safety and style to your journeys. Beneath this striking exterior lies the heart of the Honda 125 a powerful, fuel-efficient engine built to deliver exceptional performance in every condition. The advanced engine technology ensures smooth acceleration, robust torque, and impressive top speeds, making it perfect for both city commutes and highway adventures. The engine's refinement reduces vibrations, providing a more comfortable and enjoyable ride even at higher speeds. Honda's focus on fuel efficiency means that every drop of fuel is optimized, allowing you to travel longer distances without frequent stops. This bike is designed for riders who value performance without compromising on economy, offering an exceptional balance that few bikes in its class can match. Riding the Honda 125 2025 feels like an extension of yourself. The ergonomics are thoughtfully designed, with a comfortable, well-padded seat that offers excellent support for both the rider and the passenger. The handlebar position is optimized to reduce strain on your wrists and shoulders, providing a relaxed yet commanding riding posture. The foot pegs are perfectly placed, allowing for natural leg positioning that enhances control and reduces fatigue during long rides. The suspension system has been upgraded to absorb shocks effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on rough roads. Whether you're navigating through busy city traffic or cruising on an open highway, the Honda 125 2025 handles with precision and confidence. The digital instrument cluster is a testament to Honda's focus on modern technology. It provides all the information you need at a glance, including speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more. The bright, easy-to-read display adapts to different lighting conditions, ensuring clear visibility whether you're riding under the scorching sun or in the dead of night. The controls are intuitive and responsive, designed to enhance the overall riding experience. Every switch and button is placed exactly where you'd expect it, allowing you to focus on the road ahead without distractions. One of the standout features of the Honda 125 2025 is its advanced braking system. Equipped with high-performance disc brakes, the bike offers superior stopping power, giving you complete control in every situation. The brake calipers are designed to provide consistent braking performance, whether you're riding in dry conditions or on wet, slippery roads. The tires are equally impressive, offering excellent grip and stability thanks to their high-quality rubber compound and optimized tread pattern. This combination of powerful brakes and grippy tires ensures that you can ride with confidence, knowing that the bike will respond exactly as you expect when you need it most. Honda has always prioritized safety, and the 125 2025 is no exception. In addition to its robust braking system and superior handling, the bike comes with enhanced safety features designed to protect both the rider and the passenger. The bright LED lighting improves visibility, making you more noticeable to other road users. The strong, durable frame provides excellent impact resistance, while the reinforced chassis adds an extra layer of protection in the event of an accident. The bike's stability at high speeds reduces the risk of wobbling, giving you peace of mind even when pushing the limits. Fuel efficiency is where the Honda 125 2025 truly shines. Thanks to Honda's latest engine technology and optimized fuel injection system, the bike offers exceptional mileage, allowing you to go further on every tank. This not only saves you money on fuel but also reduces your carbon footprint, making the Honda 125 2025 an eco-friendly choice for the environmentally conscious rider. The bike's lightweight construction further enhances fuel efficiency, as less weight means less energy required to move. Every component, from the aerodynamic design to the efficient engine, works in harmony to deliver outstanding performance while minimizing fuel consumption. Comfort isn't just about the seat or the suspension, it's about the entire riding experience. The Honda 125 2025 is designed with this philosophy in mind. The seat height is perfect for riders of all sizes, allowing you to plant your feet firmly on the ground when stopping. The handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on your back and shoulders, while the vibration-dampening footpegs minimize fatigue during long rides. The smooth clutch and precise gearbox make gear changes effortless, enhancing the overall comfort and enjoyment of your ride. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on a long road trip, the Honda 125 2025 ensures that every ride is a pleasure. Durability is another key strength of the Honda 125 2025. Built with high-quality materials and engineered to withstand the rigors of daily use, this bike is designed to last. The corrosion-resistant paint and rust-proof components ensure that the bike maintains its stunning appearance even after years of exposure to the elements. The engine is built to be reliable, with minimal maintenance required to keep it running smoothly. Honda's reputation for durability is well earned, and the 125 2025 is no exception. It's a bike you can rely on, mile after mile, year after year. Personalization is an important aspect for many riders, and the Honda 125 2025 offers plenty of options to make the bike your own. Choose from a range of vibrant colors and stylish graphics to match your personality. Add accessories like custom mirrors, upgraded exhaust systems, and luggage racks to enhance both the bike's aesthetics and functionality. Honda's extensive range of genuine accessories ensures that you can customize your bike without compromising on quality or performance. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a bold, attention-grabbing design, the Honda 125 2025 can be tailored to reflect your unique style. The Honda 125 2025 isn't just a bike, it's part of a lifestyle. It's for those who crave adventure, who seek freedom on the open road, and who value the thrill of the ride. It's for the daily commuter who wants reliability and efficiency, for the weekend warrior who loves long rides, and for the enthusiast who appreciates fine engineering. It's a bike that brings people together, creating a community of like-minded riders who share a passion for two wheels. The Honda 125 2025 is more than just transportation, it's a way of life, a symbol of independence, and a testament to Honda's legacy of innovation. From the bustling city streets to the winding mountain roads, the Honda 125 2025 is built to perform. Its responsive handling makes it easy to navigate through traffic, while its powerful engine provides the speed and acceleration needed for highway riding. The bike's stability and control inspire confidence, allowing you to push your limits while staying safe. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the Honda 125 2025 delivers an exhilarating experience that's hard to match. Every detail of the Honda 125 2025 has been carefully considered, from the aerodynamic bodywork to the comfortable seating arrangement. The fuel tank is designed for optimal capacity without compromising the bike's sleek profile. The exhaust system not only looks great but also produces a satisfying, throaty sound that adds to the bike's character. The mirrors offer excellent visibility, while the high-quality switches and controls provide a premium feel. Honda's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the bike, reflecting a commitment to quality that goes beyond the surface. Maintenance is straightforward and hassle-free, thanks to Honda's focus on reliability and ease of use. The engine is designed for long service intervals, reducing the time and cost associated with regular maintenance. Simple access to key components makes routine checks and adjustments quick and easy. Honda's extensive network of service centers ensures that you're never far from expert support, whether you need a routine service or more specialized assistance. Owning a Honda 125 2025 means peace of mind, knowing that you have a bike that's built to last and supported by a brand you can trust. The Honda 125 2025 is more than just a new model, it's the future of motorcycling, designed for riders who demand the best. It combines cutting-edge technology, superior performance, and timeless style in a package that's as practical as it is exciting. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of motorcycles, the Honda 125 2025 offers something for everyone. It's a bike that's easy to ride, fun to own, and built to impress. The road ahead is full of possibilities, and with the Honda 125 2025, you're ready to explore them all. Every ride is an adventure waiting to happen, and the Honda 125 2025 is your perfect companion. It's a bike that adapts to your lifestyle, whether you're commuting to work, exploring new places, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road. Its versatility makes it suitable for all kinds of riders, from daily commuters to weekend explorers. The Honda 125 2025 is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey, feeling the wind in your face, and experiencing the world from a new perspective. When you choose the Honda 125 2025, you're not just buying a motorcycle, you're investing in a legacy of quality, performance, and innovation. You're joining a global community of riders who trust Honda to deliver the best. You're choosing a brand that's known for pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating machines that inspire, excite, and endure. The Honda 125 2025 is the latest chapter in this story, a bike that's ready to make history with you at the helm. So gear up, start the engine, and feel the thrill. The road is calling, and the Honda 125 2025 is ready to take you there. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.